I need some good luck, Lou.
Are you sure I'm the right person?
Yes, you are the right person.
Has it been more than 2 hours? You haven't caught anything? That's nice though, the weather looks nice.
It is nice.
It's
Look,
cold.
look.
That's pretty.
Yeah, I'm just trolling.
Doesn't your thing help you find the fish?
Yeah, but they're not. But oh, babe, you are good luck.
Did you just fall?
I just caught one. Hold on.
Oh.
Hold on. Oh, you're good luck, babe. Oh my god.
I thought you fell off the kayak. I got scared.
No. I got it. Come on. Yes! Oh my god. You're such a good luck. Yes!
Halloween. What kind of fish is that?
It's a trout.
Oh.